Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. An early update here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And we have an inventory report due in a couple of hours. That is why I wanted to give you a quick update. We're going to look at technicals and fundamentals as well. So first of all, the natural gas inventory report is due and it is forecasted as less than expected. If it's forecasted as less than expected, means the price of nat gas will likely going to push up. As you can see, less than expected implies a greater demand and it is likely going to push up and bullish for natural gas. So if it's more than expected, of course, that's bearish. But for now, it is forecasted like that. If the release is exactly the same, then we can see a good spike out of natural gas. So fundamentally, we are bullish and technically we are bullish as well. So keep an eye on the forecast as well. Nat gas reacts very nicely with these inventory reports. So if you don't know how to read these inventory reports, I have a video where I've explained how to read inventory report in full details with a good cheat sheet as well for you. So feel free to check them out. The videos in this playlist and the card up there you can see. So what to expect from it? The price is pushing up, rejects nicely from this trend line now. I've already mentioned this move to my members yesterday in the members only live session. So let me quickly show you the clip from the live session so that we can connect the dots from there. We are slightly pushing higher. I've just marked my trend line right here. So if we have another push down, rejects from here, it will likely and slightly push up from here. My bias is still towards the upside. We can still see some upwards move here on nat gas. You see it started to push up from here, but one more rejection will confirm the upward move. So let's see if we have one more push up, rejection from this trend line, and then you will see a good spike out of natural gas. So have the trend line marked on your charts. Perfect. So that is a good benefit of live session, that if you are really carefully looking at and watching my live sessions, then you can know what moves we can expect, as I was also looking at the same thing which I was predicting in my live session, even though if I couldn't catch any move in my daily videos. So live session is there to let you know if the situation changes. So at this point, as you can see, nice retest happened from this trend line and exactly how predicted, it is nicely pushing up from here after this rejection. So at this point, we are good to go towards the upside and price is still bullish for natural gas. We didn't get any entry condition with head and shoulder pattern yet at this area. So that is why I'm still looking for that pattern if we have that. If we have, only then I'm gonna sell natural gas. If there is no condition, means there is no entry. So for now, keep an eye, some more momentum. If we are broken above this high, it is very good for the bullish confirmation, likely bullish confirmation with a pullback followed by a retest, or above 50 EM. If the price forms a bullish engulfing pattern, we are gonna go long. So as long as price stays above this trend line, we're gonna go long. If there is an entry condition within this rejection box, like strong bearish engulfer with the overbought situation in the RSI, that is my sell signal, and I'm going to go short from there using 1 to 2 ATR for my targets. For now, keep looking for buy conditions as we are above 50 EMA, nicely and slightly pushing up from this trend line. So with some more momentum, we are good to go long. So we are nicely pushing up within a trend. Might see some rejection from a pullback and a continuation towards the upside. So as long as we have no sell condition, we are just buying. As if you remember in my yesterday's video, I've clearly mentioned that I'm expecting some spike out of natural gas looking at the conditions, and that is what we have. So keep an eye. I'm still looking at the double bottom area. In case we have a dramatic fall, I'm still looking at this area, which is less likely at this point, but it is something I want you guys to look for if there is some sort of condition, as I don't upload videos on Friday. So I want you guys to stay informed with these moves. So for now, expect a push up. If you have a pullback engulfer, we're going to go long from it. Still bullish on a daily as well. If you look here, nice bullish engulfer. Since then, we are still pushing up. Once we are broken above these highs, we're going to see a nice spike to the first stop right here, from where we might see a pullback. So I'll keep you guys informed with my daily videos. So make sure you subscribe to know the next upcoming moves. Exactly the same here. We are pushing up, nicely retested from the trend line. Nice pullback. If we have engulfer, we're going to go long. Now here on Ovanda, we didn't still hit the termination zone of head and shoulder bearish pattern. That is why I'm still looking at the price to hit this termination zone. Only then we have a completion of right shoulder to go short if there is an entry condition. If there is no entry condition, we are not taking any trades. For now, a pullback with some more momentum engulfer, that is all I'm looking at till here, from where I want to see sell condition. If there is, I'm gonna go short. So keep taking your trades like we did previously, right here, right here. And if you have a condition, one more condition here, we're gonna go for the trades. When there is conditions, there is no ifs, there is no buts. We just take the trades. So conditions are simple: pullback above 50 MA with bullish engulfing candle exactly like this. We're gonna go long. If there is no condition, we have a good chance my bias is still bullish towards this level. If there is a sell condition like a bearish engulfer right like this, we're gonna go short from here using 1 to 2 ATR for the targets, which I'm gonna keep you guys informed as well. Here on this platform, just pullback entry bullish. We are looking at, we still didn't get any sell condition even on daily and on 4 hour. That is why I'm still looking for my buy trades. If we have some more momentum, pullback bullish engulfer. If there is a sell condition within this zone, clear bearish engulfer without a buy condition here, then I'm gonna go short using 1 to 2 ATR for the targets. That doesn't mean we're gonna reverse, but that pullback will be enough to cut your profits and then look for the next trades. Pull the money out of the market. Don't just look at the numbers. Next up, we have gold. So we have a tariff announcement yesterday, and that causes a dramatic move here in gold. We have take profit 1 hit, take profit 2 hit, and then the price pushes lower. You might be out at a break even, or if you have cut your profits right here, then you have made some money. So at this point, price just broke below 50 EMA, so I'm not looking for buy trades anymore. If we have some more momentum and price breaks below 3052.71 and close as well, if we have close as well below this numbers, in that case, the price will likely to reverse from here. So let's see how this goes. Keep an eye on this number, which is 2052.71. Once we have closed below this number, then we're going to start to look for the pullback and a bearish engulfing pattern. That is all we are looking at, bearish trades after that, till the price gets to this level from where we can see another push up. So after the break below, we are looking at these level to buy gold. Otherwise, I'm not buying gold. It is likely going to fall further, likely to these levels, and till here we're going to look for bearish trades, which is my pullback entry bearish. Coming here on silver, what a fall we had from silver. Now if you have taken these trades and these trades, now the tariff increase has caused this move. Now I don't say that my take profit is hit because of the tariff move, because I was already in this trade, right? That causes my take profit. Doesn't matter where the fundamentals goes, against me or in my favor. Now I'm going to show you one more trade which I've taken in the priority group, which is right here. This was my buy trade that hit my stop loss. Now I don't blame the tariffs that it hit my stop loss. I enter technically with my rules. If it hit my stop loss, that is fine. I'm out of this trade. And I don't say it hit my stop loss because of the tariff moves and it is not my fault. No, I've entered this trade with a condition that didn't play out. That is fine. But this one, I've also entered this trade with condition it plays out. So here the tariffs goes in my favor, and there that it didn't go in my favor. So that is how the market works. You take your trades with conditions and with good signals. So nice push down from here, and from here the report was sent to the members to look for the sell trades, and that exactly has happened. For now, bearish for silver and right till this level, which is roughly here. So as you can see, 29.91, that goes up to 30.35. It is an area from where I'm expecting a price to push up again. I'm going to redo the zone over the weekend. That is why it is a rough zone for now. For your entries, just look for the pullback entry bearish. That is all we are looking at. And I might plot my Fibonacci tool. We're going to go inversely now. You have seen me plotting Fibonacci tool on buy trades, but here we might plot for the sell trade. So keep an eye, only selling silver till here. Once we are here, we're going to look for next condition. Again, it is not a final zone. It could be lower here as well. That is why I still need to redo the zones over the weekend and let you know in my weekend's video. So keep an eye here. For now, just pullback entry bearish till here, from where expect a bounce, then a possible fall out of silver. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil is nicely pushed down now. Right here, what do you see? My zone was there, and right here, the gap up opening, and then it's still fallen down from my zone. My zone reacts perfectly fine. How do you know the price is going to fall from here? And how do you know that you're going to sell from here? Because we know that it is a major zone, right? I have not marked my zone here. I've clearly mentioned my zone was here, and that nicely pushed lower. All the way from here, we bought till here, we sold, nicely pushing down. And at this point, what I'm expecting, not buying at this point, of course not. I'm going to mark next zone, and which I'm going to give you in my next video. For now, expect a good retracement, a pullback below 50 EMA, bearish engulfer. Look for this condition exactly like this. Once we have that, we're gonna go short from here and keep on taking short till the price get to the next level of major support, which I'm gonna mention in my upcoming video. So just look for sell trades, bearish trades for crude oil with pullback entry bearish. That is all we are looking at. Finally, we have US cocoa. US cocoa is pushed up now. If you have seen my last video, which I've clearly mentioned and marked this triangle pattern in front of you, if you have break above or below, we're gonna take over trades, and as you can see, that has happened. So let me show you quick clip from my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. And as you can see, the price has formed a minor double bottom pattern. So looking at that, I'm now expecting some bounce, could be above the 50 MA, then rejection is. So if you want to go for the quick scalp, here we have multiple rejection all the way from here and here, then quick scalp. So perfect. So that is what we call patience and taking your trades with condition, with a lot of patience. We had a breakout candle right here, entry here, stop loss here, and that nicely would have hit your take profit right here out of this triangle pattern. We're getting towards the next level of resistance from where we can see a nice push down, which is 9,751, goes to 10,285, a level from where look for bearish trades, bearish engulfers, or double top entry pattern. For now, some more pullback. We are expecting retracement, looking at this overbought situation, followed by bullish engulfer. That is my buy entry, and I'm going to go long till here and sell from this area. That is all I'm looking at. Buy till we are here, sell from this zone. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.